Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. If you're new here, welcome. Today I have a Pinkfresh haul to share with you. I've been eyeballing some of these stamps and dies for a while, so I finally went ahead and got them. So let's go ahead and get into this. There aren't many, but there are some goodies in here, so let's go ahead and check out what I got. So the first one I have this flower die set here. Now I've been checking, I subscribe to their channel and I've been seeing their stuff that they've been doing, and I love their florals and their stencils and their dies. OMG, I love it. So the first one I have here is this flower one here, and the possibilities you could do. I did forget to get the coordinating die. If it has one, I have to check, but if they do, I'll get it. But this is how it looks when you color, and they make it simple for you to color it. They have multiple stencils, so all you do is you will layer one on top and color it with the blending and your ink or whichever thing that you want to use, and there you go, you got your background. So yeah, I had to get this. So I got these two. I got the matching stencil, and the next one I have here is this floral background. Look at that, which looks like this. Love it. And of course I had to get the stencil. Now if you have never done blending with your ink pads and stuff, I enjoy it. I do like it. I've done some shorts when I'm doing it, but yes, I do enjoy doing that. And it's easy, so that's a good way to do your backgrounds. And if you got spray like Tim Holtz and stuff like that, and he's not the only one that has spray, you got all kinds of people that have different sprays. You could use those also. There's all kinds of stuff out there. But yeah, so I got those two. Like I said, that's how that looks. And these stencils, like I said, all you do is layer piece by piece, and you do one color, do the next color, and do the next one. Let me know in the comment below if you want to see me make something with these, and I'll be glad to make a video. So the next one I have here is a die. Hopefully there's no glare, but this is a flower die, and it does have 2 sentiments on the bottom. Yeah, and this is how the flower does come out. So you do have these here, and this one does have a coordinating die. Look at that. So you go ahead and cut it, and check this one out. It does come with a stencil, so you can. It makes it simple to color. All right. So if now on their site you don't have to buy the stencil. What you could do is just get your alcohol markers or watercolor, whatever you want to use, and just blend it. I mean, just color it, okay? Or another way you could do it is with blending, with your blending inks and whatnot. You could just mask off what you don't want to color, like the green. Say when you stamp the leaves, you gotta mask it off with tape or something so you don't color it, and then you can still blend it if you don't want to pay for that. But say you do buy that, all you do is blend it with this, and so this makes it easier. But you don't need to buy this. You know, you can still color it the old-fashioned way. There's nothing bad about it. It just makes it easier. So yeah, just like this makes this cutting it easier. I mean, you don't have to buy this either. You could just fussy cut it. Either way, you know. But whatever works for you, right? For me, these works for me. And these were all on set. They were on clearance when I bought them. So that's a good deal. So the next one I have is this balloon. Look at that. The birthday. That's how that comes out. And of course, it comes with the coordinating die, so it'll cut out. And it comes with the stencil. And like I said, you don't have to buy all three. You don't need to buy both. You just buy one, you know. But since it was clearance, it was a good deal, you know. But yeah, this was actually really, this was a good deal. I don't know if the clearance is still going on. I'll let you, either way, I'll put the site in the description below so you can check them out, because I like to support our other crafting shops also. They do have real nice, they have beautiful stamps. Beautiful. So do check them out if you can. Make sure you like the video. Leave a comment below if you know any shops, or if you have a shop, leave it in the comments below, or even in my community tab. If you have your YouTube app on your phone, go ahead and leave your shop info in the community tab, or a shop that you know or love, maybe that I may not know about. Go ahead and leave that info in the tab in the community so that I could check it out. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.